What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nathan Bowden here, and we got our last installment of the G.I. Joe unboxing, reviewing, playtime with Joes. Playtime with Joes. That's probably what we'll end up titling all of it once it's done. But the reason why this is last is because this is a biggie. So strap in and get ready because we're opening up all these ninjas. All these ninjas. Let's go. Start with the Red Ninja. Now, building out our ninja section of the Cobra G.I.Joe. Because right now, we got one Red Ninja and what is that? Got one Red Ninja. And Storm Shadow. And then on the other side, it's just poor old Snake Eyes. So we got a couple of size. Wow. I don't know what size they are, but got a katana. Badana katana. Another type of katana, different type. There's a backpack, holds the swords. Here are couple of axes. Let me ask you a couple questions. Am I missing something? And then here's a couple of sickles. So that's the weapons. And there's the Red Ninja. So as you can see, he's got a place to hold something. I'm guessing a couple of sides back here. This is probably, you got size, sickles, and axes. I don't know where else you can hold, what else you can hold in there, but we will see. Throw the size in here. It's all about the size. Ha ha. Put on that backpack. Baby, baby. So, got the backpack. So I think this holds the sword here. Let's try it the other way. Doesn't matter. So there's a sword. I'm guessing the sickles go in here because they're rounded. So the sickles go in the back, the sword. So that means the other sword goes on the side here. I believe so. So that's how he gears up. So keep him with the axes in his hands, because that's what he's axing for. So holds it all, does it all. So, Red Ninja. I already have one Red Ninja, so put these two together. Bodyguards for Storm Shadow. But finally, we can pull in some assistance for Snake Eyes. We got Kakamura. I'm guessing he's like an apprentice or somebody to Snake Eyes. So, you know, this is the plastic free box. That was one of the last few plastic. So, there's Kakamura with the mask on. I don't know, we maybe leave the mask on because he's a ninja. Because he's a blankety black ninja. Blankety black ninja. Tissue paper. Rip it open. Lots of accessories in here. That's it. Alternate head. We could do head with hood, maybe. I don't know how that would work. You stick the head in here. Let's see. Maybe that's what you do. Stick the head in there. Or we'll check to see if you can stick the hood with the masthead. So here's a little scarf of some sort. Here's his weapons backpack. There's a little sash on the side of his pants. A knife. And a pew 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 pistol. Pew 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 pew. He's definitely Snake Eyes' apprentice or friend or whoever, because I think Snake Eyes is the only ninja I know who also has a gun. So another pew pew, bigger one, like some sort of an Uzi. 2 swords, probably go in the backpack. Then we got some more stuff right here. Here's the last of the accessories. It's like I forget what they call these, but they're like, because they're like a bow staff, but they have blades on the ends. I don't remember what they call them. And then you got a couple more swords. So we'll have to see where these fit in. All right, open this up. I'll be back. All right, there you go. Just call him the Green Ninja. So, what are we putting on here? So you got a little spot in the back, little button for the little green sash. Kind of a wasted space, but whatever. Let's see. We said we were gonna try and see. I don't know. It looks weird, right? But I mean, it fits on real easily. You know what? Let's check something out. Because I'm curious. Because I'm so curious. Put the little scarf around the head. Then the mask. Then the hood. I don't know. Does he look cool with that? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Is he better without the mask? Let's see. You know what? I think he might be better without the mask. Dang. No, I don't like that hood, no matter what. Hood just seems, I don't know, out of place. Weird. So, alright, so let's put the backpack thing on. And then we need to put some weapons in here. Trying to see if these are the right blades. I guess so. I guess so. So it's like, so it's not as helpful with his you know what? We'll do the big guy. Do the big guy. Get something big in his hand. So we got dagger in one hand, Uzi in the other, fighting off evil. But there's no place for, you know, extra head, hood. There's no place for the gun. There's definitely no places for these extra weapons. Just sad. It would have been cool if there was, you know, like if this little back piece had a spot like in the middle for the long pole, and then like, or like have, I mean, you can have, I think you could have 5 spots on here easily and not feel like it's like cumbersome or something or out of place. But hey, and then like a side for a knife, a side for a handgun, and then he can just have the Uzi in his hand. But hey, this is cool though. So I was like, is there a hole? But yeah, this is, what's his name again? Kamakura. This is Kamakura. And lastly, you saw the Red Ninja. This is the blue version. I think that's what, 51? Side art. What you can see is 2, male and female. Still, them in accessories, bows, grappling hooks, sickles, arrows, and they each got masks. That's one of the coolest part about they got their masks. So I'm just wondering if like the masks are like interchangeable heads. I think it might be, because if they're not, it might be cool for other figures. I got some ideas. I got some ninja thoughts. I'm trying to keep my accessories together. There they go. Accessory pack. Tissue paper. Tissue paper. Garbage. Nothing fell on the ground. Alright. So I'm trying to figure out how to show these off. We'll go with the female first. Ladies first. Ladies first. So, you know what? We'll do the figures, and we'll show the accessories. I know we've been showing accessories first, but this one feels like it needs to be different. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so here are the two figures. The female and the male Blue Ninja. Looks like the Red Ninja, right? So, we'll get back to you. Female Ninja. And the reason I was saying, let me take them out first, because to help keep track of stuff, I started putting some stuff on there. Like her arrow pack. There's a little hole there, so I'm guessing something will be able to be added. We got to throw it to the side. Sweet. Sweet meats. So like I thought, the head is interchangeable. Don't know if I want to change it just yet, but we will see. Also comes with a sickle. Sickle. So she'll hold on to the sickle for now till we decide we don't want it or not. Let's open up. She got a sword. Let's see. Let's put the knife down. What do you say? Safety first. She's ready. But there's still a couple more stuff waiting. Might be missing something. Unless it's in something different. So there's a couple other stuff missing with her. Let's see. Just need that. So here's her sheath for her sword, which I'm guessing goes in the hole right here. So, like a so. So while we open up the accessories with mostly the guy, hers are in here too, the rest of hers. So we'll finish hers off and then we'll go to the guy. All right, so we got the grappling hook. That's one of her weapons. And she comes with a bow, which is also one of her weapons. So that's the female ninja. Then we got the male blue ninja. So, in all of this, his head is all one piece. So, if you want to change it, it become this. Maybe that's what we need to do to kind of differentiate him and her from the two red ninjas. We'll see. We'll see. But he also comes with a backpack. So, with that backpack, he also comes with a long sword, which we already know goes in the back. Comes with a shorter sword, which we know comes on the side. What else? We know the size go in the back because it doesn't matter the size. Size don't matter. We also know the sickles go up top. Sticky. Little sticky, icky, icky. Try this one. A little bit better. Which also always leads us to axes, axes, axes in hand. There you go. Pure dopeness. All right. So, before we go, I will be doing what I want my ninjas to look like. Since they're not the bodyguards, they're like the special enforcers. So I'm gonna have them dressed differently. Not just regular old ninjas. I mean, too bad there's no string on here. I may think about putting my own string on here or something. So you can kind of put the bow around, like, so you can like put the bow kind of around her, like cross her like that. Put a little string here and there, so that way it's a lot more functional. But yeah, there you go. That's what the fox said. There you go. So here we go. We got our two special ops ninjas. Storm Shadow's gonna send out to take out Snake Eyes and all the rest of the Joes. So We got our Snake Eyes crew. Oh no, we got our Storm Shadow crew. And we got our Snake Eyes guy. So, we just opened up a bunch of Joes over the last several videos. So I just want to say thank you. And peace.